when it comes to making money online, a lot of persons are kind of skeptical, and a lot of persons don't want to indulge in making money online. They tell you that making money online is fraud. It's a lie. Making money online is very possible if you know the right things to do. That is why I'll be exposing these things to you right now. When I put up this video and telling people you can make 200 to 300,000 naira monthly minimum online doing these things I'm going to teach, a lot of persons will think I'm lying. A lot of persons will just think that it's a clickbait or think I'm trying to buy them over to watch my video. But this is not a clickbait, this is not a lie. This is something that is doable and is very 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 effective when you do it very well. So my name still remains Sylvester Izunya, and what I do in this channel, I teach us different money making tips. Yes, that's what I do in this channel. And along the line, I'm going to be adding the WordPress website design skills. So if you are following my channel as from today, I'm going to be adding some tips and tricks in WordPress website design, so you'll be able to build your own WordPress website. Be it you want to work on a blog, or you want to work on a corporate website, an e-commerce website for a online store, you will be able to do that with this custom management system called WordPress. I'll be teaching along the line in this channel. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out from this tutorial I'll be giving us along the line as time goes on, so I get notified. Also, don't forget to click on the notification button. It's very very important, because when you click on the notification button, a lot of persons tend to know that I've uploaded a new video, and you get notified by YouTube and get to watch the video, and you get to be among the first set of persons that watch my videos and get the information I have on that video. So with that being said, let's dive back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing us, which I've already told us, how we can make 200 to 300,000 naira minimum on a monthly basis. I'm going to be telling you are making that on a daily, weekly basis, but it depends on your strengths. I'm going to be telling you, it depends on your strengths, you are going to be making up to 200 to 300,000 naira monthly on a minimum, and which is okay. From my country, Nigeria, you are just for a start online, it's a good income for you to starting online. Earning that online is a good income. So how does this process work? This process is a process whereby you can do with just your internet connection and your mobile phone. Yes, you can do this process with just your internet connection and your mobile phone, and that is one of the hurdles a lot of persons have over the time. A lot of persons have issues of, I don't have a laptop, how do I make money online? No, it's very easy now. With just your mobile phone, your internet connection you use on a daily basis, you can actually make good cash online. Yes. So what does this aspect talk about? What is this product all about, or what is this particular services all about that I'm going to be discussing about? This particular service is called drop shipping. Yes, this particular service is called drop shipping, and a lot of persons will be asking a question that, okay, how do I in drop shipping, how do I get my own product? I don't have my own product. That is what I'll be doing. This is called local drop shipping. So with this local dropshipping, you don't need to have any sort of product, you don't need to have any sort of income or finance. You are going to be able to do this effectively. So how do I get my product when I don't have finance? So this is a question a lot of persons have been asking. Okay, fine. Even when I tell people offline about how you can make money online, minimum 200 to 300,000 naira without having a product and just doing dropshipping, a lot of persons will ask me, how is this possible, Sylvester, or how can we accomplish this? So how is this possible? You don't need a physical product when it comes to dropshipping. All you need is the picture of the product. So imagine I have a car I want to sell to you, and I want to sell out as the seller of this car, and you as a person, you need this platform whereby you can list your services on, and you can list this particular car on and get double my price or even get additional profit. What I do, I take a picture of this car, I take it and place it on this particular website, which I'm going to be disclosing to you at the tail end of this video. And when I put this particular car listing on this particular website, it's going to be there, and a lot of hungry buyers on that particular platform. So imagine I am selling that particular car for 200,000. I'm giving an instance right now, and you as a person who is listing that particular car picture on that platform can tell the seller you are selling at a best price of 300,000 naira. So, and the person don't know you are not the owner of this car. When the person asks for inspection of this car, easily can take this person down to me and inspect this car, and the person sees it and does his deal. At the end of the day, when this person is paying you 300,000 naira, you'll be only be giving me 200,000 naira, and you are keeping 100,000 to yourself. At the end of the day, for be able to get buyer for me to buy this particular car, I'm going to also give you some compensation also. At the end of the day, I'm even making more profit of your product than even you selling that particular product. So you see how interesting this particular business is. Yeah, that is how interesting this particular business is. It's very very interesting and very very effective. So that is what I'll be doing as a person. So that's why I tell you, you don't need a mobile phone. You don't need a laptop. You just need your mobile phone and your internet connection. So that is that about that particular platform. And kindly, I would like to tell us the name of this platform. The name of this platform is called Jiji. Gigi. Yes, on Gigi, you just go online and type Gigi. On Gigi, you'll be able to list your product on Gigi without stress, without all those. Like, you are going to just open a Gigi account, go on registration on Gigi, and you want to see, you'll see where a button where you can say sell on Gigi. Click on that button and be able to register and upload your product. It's very very easy and very very good. So far you are nailed. It's very easy for you to do. That is why I'm not showing a description on how to do this. So just go on Gigi. You see it's very very self-explanatory, and go to the Gigi website and click on the registration platform. And once you click on the registration, you are good to. Once you click on the registration, you are good to go. Yes, you are good to go. Once you click on the registration on Gigi, you are good to go, and from there you can start making good number of sales on any product you are going to list on Gigi. And there's one way you can actually promote your product there also. You can, with little sum of money, you can make your product big at the top of the search engine, so a lot of people will come and see your product, so you can make faster sales. That's why I will do that. But you don't need that, because even me, I've sold a lot of things on Gigi without even promoting it, and I get my profit as part of this particular drop shipping service I'm teaching us right now. So if you see something that is very very doable, and you can actually see that it's doable, yeah, it's not that if it's something you can see that it's very it's a particular business that is doable. All you just need to do is have your internet connection on your mobile phone. You can do this for even mobile phones. To go to someone want to sell this iPhone for, or maybe just want to sell an iPhone for 80,000, you can go there and list it for 85 or 90,000. At the end of the day, you're getting your 10,000 naira profit, and the person and the person also who is want to sell this product is going to still give you money, a little commission for biggest a buyer for his particular product. So that is why Gigi is a very good place for us to do business and make good money. So I know you will be looking at the skepticism that, okay, fine, with this be skeptic, how do I get my product? For you told us that, how do I get my product? Go to these people, snap it, and go back to online, upload it. It's free of charge. You are paying no money. So these persons, either they message you on WhatsApp or call you once they want to make an order. So that is that for this video, and hope you love the video. If you do love the video, kindly share this video to a lot of persons, and kindly click on the like button, so that the YouTube algorithm is going to the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to a lot of persons out there. Thank you very much.